When your only ride to work pulls away without you, the problem is an immediate threat to your paycheck, your child's attendance at school, and your ability to keep a roof over your head. Every year, thousands of Americans qualify for financial help to keep them on the road. Yet the majority never even apply, simply because they have no idea these programs exist. The confusion makes sense. The government doesn't have a single office handing out free cars. Transportation aid is a massive, highly fragmented maze of specialized, localized programs. To navigate this, we use the Transportation Assistance Matrix. This flowchart maps your specific scenario to the correct agency. Applying to the wrong office means wasting weeks. Your first step is categorizing the exact root cause of your transit need. Matching your daily struggle to the correct bureaucratic bucket is the only reliable way to bypass the bottlenecks and access actual financial assistance. We start with the first major pathway: individuals who need a vehicle specifically to maintain a job or support dependent children. Looking at the matrix, the primary resource for parents is Temporary Assistance for Needy Families, or TANF. TANF funds can cover urgent vehicle repairs, registration fees, insurance premiums, or occasionally assist with an outright vehicle purchase. The catch here is geography. TANF block grants are managed locally, meaning the availability of car repair funds fluctuates wildly from state to state. If you don't have dependents but are actively employed or seeking work, your target is local workforce development programs. To access these grants, gas vouchers, or used vehicle subsidies, your paperwork has to prove one thing: without this specific transit aid, you will lose your job or miss a concrete employment offer. TANF and workforce agencies offer the most flexible financial help available. But if your transit crisis isn't tied to children or a paycheck, these offices will immediately reject your application. If your barriers to driving are physical or health-related, the employment pathway won't work. You need the medical transit network. Returning to the matrix, for disabled individuals who still want to work, vocational rehabilitation programs are the designated route. You will need rigorous documentation from your doctor proving your employment limitations. In exchange for that medical proof, Voc Rehab can cover deep, customized physical vehicle modifications. The trade-off is the bureaucracy. Processing these specialized requests is notoriously slow. For routine healthcare access, look to Medicaid's Non-Emergency Medical Transportation Program, or NEMT. NEMT solves the immediate problem of getting to a doctor by providing free rideshare, taxi, or specialized medical van services directly to covered appointments. However, these rides are strictly point-to-point. The drivers are not permitted to make detours to the grocery store, pharmacy, or anywhere else for personal errands. The medical transit network ensures physical accessibility and guaranteed healthcare access, but you trade away the independence of a personal vehicle. That leaves viewers who don't fit neatly into the targeted welfare or medical buckets, but still face a massive daily struggle without a car. This final row is where charity and nonprofit vehicle programs step in to serve as a general safety net. To secure a donated vehicle through an organization like this, the screening is intense. You must provide strict proof of low income, a valid driver's license, employment verification, and a financial need you can demonstrate. With nonprofits, you are trading money for time. Because demand vastly outweighs the supply of donated cars, applicants face regional wait lists that can drag on for months. It is the closest thing to securing a donated car, but it requires far more patience than navigating state welfare programs. Nonprofits offer the highest potential asset value in the end. Yet, if you need a car by next Monday to keep your job, the severe time delay makes them the wrong choice for an immediate crisis. Identifying the right program is the necessary first step, but you still have to navigate the administrative requirements and avoid those looking to profit from your situation. If a website promises a free car with guaranteed instant approval or demands an upfront processing fee, close the tab immediately. Legitimate government and nonprofit assistance programs never guarantee approval, and they almost never ask applicants for large upfront payments. To prove your eligibility to these agencies, you need this application survival kit. Every single program demands a government ID, proof of income, and proof of residency. Hunting down your employment stubs or medical documentation before you even make that first phone call to the agency will shave weeks off your processing timeline. Heavy upfront administrative labor is the true cost of government aid. Gathering your paperwork early is the most effective way to beat the bureaucratic bottleneck. Stop using the spray and pray method of applying to every program you find online. Target the single agency that directly aligns with your primary pain point. Stick to verifying local requirements and applications strictly through official .gov or .org channels. Look at the matrix, find the scenario that matches your life, and research that specific program's guidelines in your state today. The aid system is fragmented and difficult to navigate. Correctly identifying your specific bureaucratic category is the critical first step toward getting back on the road and regaining control of your financial stability.